This is the awarding ceremony for FIG Miss Valentine Grand Prix 2020 Tartu. First place in all-around competition, Arina Averina, Russia. Second place, Lara Romanenko, Russia. Third place, Yekaterina Selesnyova, Russia. Fourth place, Daria Trubnikova, Russia. Fifth place, Laura Tseng, the United States of America. Sixth place, Maria Pobedushkina, Russia. Seventh place, Kristina Pogranichna, Ukraine. And eighth place, Tatiana Volozhanina, Bulgaria. Kallis publik, palume teil tõusta Venemaa hümniks. Dear audience, please raise for the national anthem of Russia. Thank you. Aitäh! Sellega on Miss Valentine'i 4. võistluspäev lõppenud. Homme kohtume kell 11 ja homne päev on täis suurepäraseid finaale. This was the 4th day of Miss Valentine. Tomorrow we start at 11 a.m. and the Sunday, 1st of March, will be full of finals. Have a great evening and see you tomorrow.